So I figured I'd do a video on how to take apart the piglet, clean the contacts. So Cruz is helping me. He's my cameraman.
Hi.
Other roommates are watching the Royals game. Go Royals. I think they're losing right now, but whatever. So let's zoom in. So everybody knows how this comes off. You unscrew it, slide it off. So to get this front faceplate off with your serial number on it, there's two screws. Kind of shitty lighting, but there's one here, one here. So we'll take those two out. Yep. Tran showed me personally how to do this, so I'm like an expert or some shit now. Because mine wouldn't fire earlier. But we fixed it. Alright, so those two screws come off, then real easy, this just slides down. I put some solder on there for better contact. It's pure silver. Now, I don't know, can you see down there? There's two screws, one on this side, one on this side. They're kind of deep down in there. They hold on this top plate.
What? Cruz, you see this? That's Modesty at the plate. He was the guy that started over freaking Terrence Gore. He just made his Major League debut in the World Series.
They're really excited about this.
As should you.
I mean, that's pretty cool. You can run like 21.2 miles an hour or some shit. Don't. Oh, look at that! Awesome.
Yeah, don't lose those.
Yeah. They're little sneaky buggers. You don't want to lose them. I'm showing how to disassemble this mod on video.
Are you still recording?
Yes, we are. Jason can't wait for his Little Caesars pizza. He's not even a roommate. So that other screw pops out, and this top piece comes off. Then these two pieces are exposed. If you want to clean your contacts, clean this portion on the top plate. You can clean this, but it doesn't really get dirty. And then you'll want to clean these copper contacts at the top. And then this plate comes out. And you've got your contact there that is pushed in by this button here. So this essentially pushes this down, which completes the circuit. So if you want to clean these guys, this just pushes, it's press fit, so you can just push your screwdriver through and pop that out. Or this piece, same deal. Also, this is adjustable. So we'll put that back in. So to reassemble, you gotta go with this piece first. And then it's a little backwards from there. So this piece goes on first. Then you take the faceplate. Gotta make sure it gets underneath that contact up there. So get that down in there. Slide that.
Damn! I thought that was going down.
Then you want to get these two screws screwed back in. Once you get the first one, it's easier. So that one, and I use this technique of just lowering it, pushing my screwdriver into it. Oh, that didn't work that time. Finding the hole. Always a son of a bitch. Screw that down in there. Make sure it's snug, but don't over tighten them. Then the top plate, or the 510 plate, that goes there. Grab your little screw, and sometimes you'll feel like a magician because it'll just Fall right in there like that. Look at that. Now my cameraman's blocking my angle.
You're blocking the camera.
I'm sure I am. I am sorry, camera. So we'll screw that in. Alright. Then we got the second screw, so I flip it over, try and slide it down and do the same thing. It did it upside down that time. So then I do this like maraca shaker thing till it goes with the Phillips head up. Alright. That'll screw in. Then you can take your batteries. Doesn't really matter which side they go on. I know it's written on here, but works both ways. Take this.